I need to figure out like some kind of adapter or something. Maybe I can like print something, like a 3D print of an adapter to make this webcam just work on this microscope. But there's a leaf. And I'm pointing at the stoma. I'm pointing at the hole that lets the air in and out. You guys see that hole there underneath?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and that can open and close. You can also see up on top.
Yeah.
See how it's really densely packed up on top?
Mm-hmm.
I can't really do the laser pointer thing at the same time as I do this. Oh, we gotta. Hi, Cherise. We are trying to get a microscope working, so. Yeah, so see on top, the cells are really densely packed?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your solar panel. That's what's going to take in the sunlight. So those are called palisade mesophyll cells. And then underneath, there's like air pockets. See, it's like kind of like more open. Underneath, the cells aren't so densely packed together. You guys all see that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's to let the air in and out, like to have a place for the air to kind of build up so that it doesn't have to have the stoma open all the time. So it's kind of a looser arrangement of cells so that air can come out and fill up the gaps.
Mm-hmm.
Is that okay so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to find a vein. Give me a sec. Okay, this is gonna be a wider out view, but you'll see the vein. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, by the way, grade 11s, we're actually going to talk about plants and plant structures in one of your units, so this is kind of good for you guys too. How's everyone doing today, grade 11s?
Tired.
Tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Come on. There we go. So see where the arrow's pointing, where the needle's pointing?
Yeah.
That's a vein. And the big open spots, see there's like kind of like really hollow tubes there?
Yeah.
That's the xylem. That's where the water flows through. It's like a big straw. You can think of it like a big straw. That's the vein of the leaf. That would be the middle of the leaf where there's that like bulge for the vein. And then the leaf itself goes off on either side. So that's what that looks like. And then the phloem is next to it. The sugar comes out in the same place. So that's that. So just to review, right? Water comes up through the roots, from the roots, comes in here. It's used in the leaf to make sugar. It also needs CO2. That comes in through the bottom of the leaf. Then it makes sugar. The sugar comes back out through the plant to feed all the rest of the plant because the rest of the plant can't photosynthesize. So like the roots and the flowers and stuff like that can't photosynthesize. So the leaves make the sugar for the rest of the plant. And that comes out through the sap. Showan had a really good question there about the sap. Yeah, so the sap is what brings the sugar out. And that's what in the spring they tap that and they boil it and they get the sugar that the leaves were making out. And they make maple syrup with it. And then there's O2 that comes off as well, and that gets just kicked out to the air because the plant doesn't want it. Okay. Any questions on that right now?
No.
No, that's all right. Yeah, so I'll have a picture of this and a picture of the other thing up on Edsby, and that's the end of your grade 12 stuff right now. Yeah, have a look at the video. Hopefully now that we've done the live lesson, you'll understand the video a little bit better too.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, guys. Thanks, grade 12.
See ya.
See ya.
Right.
Bye.